Oh, what have I done? What have I done? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Ah! No! Take it away! What have I done? Don't look at me like that. Oh my god! Chaos. Chaos. Oh, no. Oh, wait a minute. Chaos? No chaos. Chaos? No chaos. We're all just one slider away from utter chaos. Don't know what's going on there. Chaos. Oh. The chaos slider really turns it to the surreal. I think it just starts to transcend different dimensions. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Zoom in, zoom, zoom! Chaos, bring the chaos back. Is it? It does the same thing. What is that? What is that? What is going on there? I don't know. Oh, I don't know. I don't want to know. I don't want to know. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh my god! Okay, fine. Andy's fine. Oh! She? What has chaos done to you? What has chaos done to you? Oh my god, what is chaos? This is your brain on drugs. I can't believe that's the same person. That's crazy. That's really... Oh! Some horrible, horrible Resident Evil virus. Oh, Grandma, no, Grandma, no. Wow. Look at this hooter. Oh no, my soul, Oh no, my soul. Oh, my soul. No. Okay, oh man, I guess I don't get... I upload. How do I upload? How do I upload? Jesus Christ, a howler monkey was not the right DNA to put into this. Timberwolf, sure. I don't want to save any of those. Hey. Oh, no. Oh, I regret. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. All right. Oof. Of these, I think this is the most... Okay, this dude. I love this dude. This dude and... oh yeah, this lady. Okay, let's see what we can get out of these. Well, seems like nothing's happening. Art. Ooh, no. The longer I figure... That's pretty good. Oh. I like that a lot. That's super cool. I really like that. That's dope as hell. Holy crap, that was awesome. What the hell happened? Come on. It can't be that slow just because of me. I paid money. I paid real money. I put real money. Oh, hey. I put real money into it. Hi. You know, oh, yeah, eyes open, baby. Get the eyes open. Brr, give me the eyes. Okay, and then you... What category is that? Beautiful! Fuck. Oh, fuck. Look at that sunset. Oh my god. I fucking own this guy. Editor, are you uncomfortable? Getting away with this. Who's letting him get away with it? Oh my god, look at this! I don't even know what I'm looking at, but it's cool. Ooh. I could see some art. That's fast. And then you've got that. But frick. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, it's like the farther down you go, the more. Okay, all right. But also, it's really interesting.